What's up guys, you're watching the Sit Show, and if you're new to my channel then don't forget to subscribe and a like. Today our topic is PlayStation 5 error, and the error is CE-117722-0. The streaming connection has been errored. It's a network error, simply a network error. When you try to broadcast or a stream, you get the error. And I'm just going to share my screen on my left side. Here we go to the screen, and let's go to the settings. Here is the you can broadcast from here, and here is the broadcast settings. You must play your game or application, then after that you will be streamed it. And next, go to the settings. Here you must check the some settings. Sometimes the setting is not working, that's why. And the main reason is the network, because sometimes network is not working under the maintenance. Just go back to your user accounts. You must check your PSN account is logged in or not, and the connection, and also your console is automatically logged in or not. And then look at that, and then go to the network view, PlayStation network services. You must check the server. Sometimes the server is down and doing maintenance, that's why you get this error. And here you get, if you get the red option, here you just wait, Sony will fix this up automatically. You do nothing. If you get the green, then you have a local internet problem. You must contact the local internet provider or fix your own frequency setting, advanced settings, change the DNS settings manually. And secondly, which one is working good in your country, just put it back and set a new connection. And you do the same with the Wi-Fi settings. So simply, that's how you can fix this kind of network error. And if you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box, and see you soon for the next one, for the next topic.